Hey y'all, welcome back to Alieshia from Alieshia's Adventures. I'm so glad y'all clicked on this video and hopefully y'all learned something new or you can drop some gems for some other people. So today, by the title you can tell, we're talking about like college and education versus experience. And so if you graduated or you're about to graduate, I know you're looking at them jobs and being like, well, I have no experience because I went to get my education, you know? So I'm here to just like give you some ways to gain experience while you are in school and some things that you can do. So the number one thing you can do to gain experience in school is internships. Internships are the number one thing, sadly, in the society that we're in. Some of them aren't really paid, but some of them are paid. And, you know, find those ones that are paid if you can. But if you have to do ones that are unpaid, just see if you can get some college credit for that. Because that can be one way that you can get in. Or also, maybe you can't get your internship paid for, but maybe if you do a good job, they'll keep you on and they'll hire you later. So I would say to do internships, that is a great way to get experience and meeting and networking with people as well. And also another way to get experience is if you are involved on campus, depending on like what your major is, what you want to do, you can get the experience on campus. Say you are a communications major. If they have tours that they give on college campus, you can be a tour guide on a college campus. So that can be a way too. Just using your school for the opportunities that they hand you. Say you like leadership. Say you want to do something in government. If you don't go to your campus leaders or if you go to your student involvement and find some organization that can help you be involved in that, then maybe you need to go to another school. But hopefully they have that at your school for you. And so those can just be some ways that you can get extra experiences as well. You can also volunteer on the weekends at like a nonprofit, or you can volunteer with just a company in general, wherever it is in your city. If your campus can't give you something, try to look to the network of the community in the city that you are in if you are looking for those experiences. Because now a lot of people are looking for more experiences in education, which that is kind of hurting us because we're like, go to school, we need this education, but you also need these experiences. And I'm speaking from past experiences, like I only had a couple of internships. I wish I would have did more, because then also they can help you figure out like, oh, I don't want to do this. Oh, I do want to do this. So I would say trying to put your education and experience together and take advantages of your summers when you can do internships. Take advantage of your time, maybe if you're taking 12 credit hours, to add an internship on there. So just try to finagle your way through with your schedule with complementing your education with that experiences from those internships. Maybe it is from doing study abroads. Maybe it is from doing like community involvement, like alternative service breaks or something like that. You don't just have to do internships, but you just have to build your resume up so that you have that network of people, that support system, so you can be able to get that job because you have that experience and that education. So, you know, if you have any comments, questions, please leave them below and I will answer them. If you all like this content in this video, also please let me know. And I can just do some more videos like this because, you know, I did get my master's in student affairs and higher education. And so I'm here to answer all y'all questions. Thank you and peace. Have a great rest of your day.